Hey everyone, this is Janine with Cook, Pray, Slay, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 2 of our 5-day smoothie detox challenge, and I'm so excited to bring another really amazing and delicious smoothie recipe to you guys. Today we're making my Sunrise Pineapple Detox Smoothie, and this is amazing. I know you're absolutely going to love it. So before we jump into the recipe, I do want to remind you guys to like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, and you definitely want to hit that notification bell down below too, so you get all of the future recipes and videos that I post. Now, if you missed yesterday's video, you can definitely go back and take a look at it. I encourage you. We had a really amazing recipe. It was my peach ginger detox smoothie, so definitely go back and watch that. I'll put a link down below in the description, so you can always go back and take a look at that. Also, make sure you're commenting down below. I would love to know if you're doing this detox with us. If you're not, that's perfectly okay. You can pick a time that works best for you. So I'm just really curious. I'd love to hear what everyone else thinks about my recipes. So definitely drop me a comment. Let me know if you're making these, what you think, and what your experience has been so far. All right, guys, so here are all of the ingredients to make our Sunrise Pineapple Smoothie. I have about a cup of fresh pineapple, a few slices of frozen peaches, a half a banana, a half of sliced cucumber, freshly grated ginger, and also a whole lemon peeled and sliced. I also have about a cup of coconut water, and I may put a little bit of raw honey in there as a natural sweetener. So let's get started. Now you may need to adjust the amount of ingredients depending on the size of blender you have. Today I'm using my single serving Magic Bullet, so sometimes it can get a little full. So today what I did was I cut back on the cucumber, and instead of using a whole cucumber, I'm using half of a cucumber, and I'm also using half of a banana. So just depending on the size, what you don't want to do is overfill your blender. So just kind of play it by ear and see what works for you. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put everything into my blender. All right, guys, so my smoothie is done, and let's see what it looks like. And there you have it. Here's our Sunrise Pineapple Detox Smoothie. All right, guys, so there you have it. Here's our Sunrise Pineapple Detox Smoothie for the day. Definitely make sure that you are checking down below in the description. I will post the entire recipe along with all the other recipes and ingredients for the 5-day smoothie challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell down below so you can see all of my future recipes and videos. Have a great day and see you guys tomorrow.